Okay, guys, welcome back. And this is our lecture number 7. In this lecture, we will discuss about the asset. That what is the standard definition of asset, and we will discuss this definition in detail because it's very important. So, asset is a present economic resource controlled by the entity as a result of past event. So, the first thing you understand here is the present. The second thing is economic resource controlled and as a result of past event. Clear? So this means by present we mean that it exists now at the reporting date. Economic resource means it's a right, not always a physical item that can lead or yield benefits. And by control, we mean that entity has the ability and the power to directly use and obtain the benefit. And this control come as a result of the something already happened to give the entity that control. So this is the basic definition you have to remember. Is as an asset is present economic resource controlled by the entity and is a result of past event. Now we have two types of asset. One is current asset and the second one is non-current asset. So we have to differentiate between the current asset and non-current asset, and this will be the end of this lecture. So current asset, you see types of asset, current asset and non-current asset. This is the differences that what we mean by current asset. So current asset is basically expected to be realized, sold or consumed in the normal operating cycle or within 12 months. So on the other hand, the non-current asset are expected to be held for use over multiple years. If you look to the liquidity, say the current asset convert to cash easily, while the non-current asset doesn't convert to cash easily, which means that it's not readily convertible to cash without disrupting the operation. About the nature of the current asset, so current asset is upon held for trading or short-term use, while non-current asset or long-term long-term capacity to produce goods, services, or save costs. So this is about asset and the type of asset. Now here we have activity decided whether the following asset owned by the or fashion clothing retail company are current or non-current asset. So you have cash, delivery vehicles, money in bank, factory equipment. Now please use the note feature and the toolbar to help formulate. So you have here that which one is current and which one is non-current asset. This one, cash, is your current asset. You see here, here is answer, current asset. This vehicle is non-current asset. Money in bank, these are the current asset, and factory equipment, these are non-current asset. Okay, so thank you for watching.